संदीप गर्ग एंड मीनू वर्मा, 2 PST, दीप्ति मैम की अल्बर्ट। Okay, students. Look at this part. Because the iPad this is not charged, so I cannot even remove it now. अब आ जाओ यहाँ पे. There you will be more in a beneficial position. You will come to know what is the question paper. Come here. Okay. Okay. Varun, come here in the front. Varun and Parth. Rhythms, आप आ जाओ. The ones who listen to me, then I'll ask them questions. Yes. Rhythm. The first question goes to you. Am I audible online?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come in.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Yashika, we are not talking. I said rhythm. Rhythm के लिए है मेरा first question. यहाँ बात इसको थोड़ा स्कूल कर लें. यंगिस्तान प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, कोई बुक से कुछ नहीं देख रहा है. यंगिस्तान प्राइवेट लिमिटेड सिर्फ MCQ वाले पेपर है, उसकी रिवीजन है. It is a famous group of promoters submitted an application to the registrar of company for the approval of the name of the company and नाम जो वहाँ that is Nike Limited as the name of the company. To increase the sale because Nike is already a well-established brand. Can Yungistan Private Limited register a company with the name Nike Limited?
No.
Why?
Because it is already taken.
Already registered. Job. Okay. Covered. One of the employee of the company leaks the secret trade information to another company. What type of risk is involved here? What type of risk I am talking about? Covered. इतनी पास बिठा के सबकी रिवीजन करा रहे हो, तभी क्वेश्चन नहीं आते मुझे कैसे करेंगे? और ये सबसे सिंपलेस्ट क्वेश्चन है. यस वरुण.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? I know Yashika, you know it. Wait. Question is Sandeep. One of the employees of the company, वही company है Nike Limited. He goes out and वहाँ बुक में नहीं मिलेगा. He goes out and he leaks the trade secret to another company. Trade secret एक company का employee जाके दूसरी company को leak out कर दे. What type of risk is involved? बोलो.
Risk of trade.
Speak loudly. Human risk, which is a human risk. What type of risk I am talking about? So, like this, questions will be asked. बेटा MCQs है. Okay.
Young man has been.
मैं ऑप्शन सब नहीं दूंगी. ओके. भव्या पटेल. भव्या.
Multiple choice option.
किसने पूछा?
ऐसे नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
अच्छा मैं समझ गई. मतलब he's asking me मैम MCQs का मतलब. ओके. भव्या. No, he meant to say मैम इसमें ऑप्शंस आती हैं तो आपको ऑप्शंस देनी पड़ेगी. भव्या, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Bhavya, your question is 3 doctors, Dr. Sahil, Dr. Mayank, and Dr. Karan, decide to start a charitable clinic. Will it be considered as a partnership firm?
नो मैम।
Why?
मैम क्योंकि वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन खोल रहे हैं।
Huh? 1 second.
वो कैन यू रिपीट?
बेटा 3 डॉक्टर्स आपस में चैरिटेबल हॉस्पिटल खोल रहे हैं. Will it be considered as a partnership firm?
नो नो मैम,
क्यों? यही तो
क्योंकि
पूछ रही हूँ, क्यों?
चैरिटी है ना वो तो।
अच्छा चलो ठीक. ओके पवन.
Yes.
Pawan, Dash Cooperative Society is formed by consumers for obtaining good quality products at reasonable prices. Consumers ने खुद एक cooperative society बनाई है ताकि उनको सस्ते में माल मिल सके. Now, what type of cooperative society is this? हाँ जी बोलिए.
Consumer
Naman?
Cooperative Society. Consumer Cooperative.
Consumer Cooperative Society. Okay, Devansh Pansal.
Yes, ma'am.
Pay attention everyone to this. Cooperative society is formed by small producers. Producers ने खोली है to procure inputs for production of goods to face competition from large scale producers is known as.
मैम
नहीं
एक बार
देवांश
वापस से
तेरा
बोलो ना मैम, आवाज ही नहीं आई.
देवांश एक कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी है जो लोगों ने खोली है ताकि वो प्रोडक्शन में जो सामान चाहिए उसको इजीली उनके लिए अवेलेबल हो सके.
मैम प्रोड्यूसर्स कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी.
They can compete with large scale competitors. What type of cooperative society is this?
मार्केटिंग कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी.
सामान बिक नहीं रहा, प्रोड्यूसर्स की हेल्प हो रही है.
अच्छा तो प्रोड्यूसर्स कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी.
बस वहां यही गलतियां करना आप सब लोग. ओके मीत.
मैम प्रोड्यूसर्स कोऑपरेटिव ही है ना.
Yes, it is producers cooperative everyone. देवांश
मैम
be
मैंने पहले
careful.
बोला था.
Please read करके आंसर करना everyone. Meet. Cooperative society is formed to Dash cooperative society is formed to provide short-term financial assistance to the members. Short-term financial assistance देने के लिए cooperative society का नाम क्या है? Yes, Sutej. Yes, Parth Chawla, can I have you in the front, please? यहाँ पे चेयर लेकर यहाँ पे. This is very bad, me. बहुत simple questions हैं. Yes, Sutej. My question I will not repeat. Yashika, was I audible back? फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस के लिए कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी खुली है. उस कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी को क्या कहते हैं? पार्थ, इफ यू डोंट कम इन अ मिनट आई विल थ्रो यू आउट. Since how many days you are coming to the school, Sutej? हाँ जी. तब भी एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं आ रहा? बोलो. Yes, Nandana. Credit cooperative. Banks too, cooperative banks too have. पार्थ यहाँ पे चेयर लेकर. That chair, pull it here. Okay. This. Parth. Now your question is, shall I ask only 2 chapters या बाकी 3rd, 4th, 5th cover कर लो? I can try. Okay. Now, a man, his warehouse was set on fire, and he obviously had taken an insurance policy. But while the fire was going on, he did not take any steps to lessen or stop the fire.
So that he can get the insurance claim.
Insurance company denied the claim. रुको एक बार. नहीं, मैं बोलूँ नहीं. मेरे को सिर्फ प्रिंसिपल का नाम चाहिए. एमसीक्यूज में नहीं है ये सब कुछ. सब्रोगेशन, कंट्रीब्यूशन, कॉजा प्रॉक्सिमा, मिटिगेशन ऑफ लॉस. Mitigation of loss. Yes, Utkarsh Bansal. Utkarsh Bansal.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी उत्कर्ष, ध्यान से सुनना, मैं रिपीट नहीं करूंगी एवरीवन. Merchant Limited was issued certificate of incorporation by the registrar on 7th March. However, the date mentioned on the certificate was 2nd March. Certificate issue हुआ 7th को और date लिखी हुई है 2nd March. The company entered into a contract for purchase of land with ABC Limited on 5th March. Now, ABC Limited is not interested to sell the land as it is getting much higher price from another buyer. Can Merchant Limited file a case against ABC Limited?
No, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन को समझो पहले. क्वेश्चन मैंने बोला 2 तारीख को सर्टिफिकेट इशू हुआ 7th को, मगर सर्टिफिकेट के ऊपर डेट लिखी हुई है 2nd मार्च. तो 5th को उन्होंने एक एग्रीमेंट किया है लैंड बेचने का और खरीदने का. अब वो that other person has denied he doesn't wants to sell. Can you file a case against him?
Yes,
एग्रीमेंट बन चुका, उसकी हमें कुछ नहीं लेना देना, हमें सिर्फ डेट्स देखनी है 2nd, 5th एंड 7th.
yes,
तो अभी कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. नमन वेट करो 1 मिनट. खुश राजदेव, कैन यू आंसर प्लीज? नैतिक, नैतिक.
Yes, ma'am.
Tisha, can you answer that? Mustan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mustan. सर्टिफिकेट पे 2nd लिखा हुआ है, सर्टिफिकेट इशू हुआ 7th को, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन हुआ 5th को. When did the company come into existence?
Second.
सिंपल है. और 2nd को एग्जिस्टेंस में आई, उसके बाद 2nd डेट के बाद उन्होंने जितना काम किया वो सब लीगल है. मगर अगर वो 1 अक्टूबर वहां लिखा होता वो इलीगल. वो अभी कंपनी एग्जिस्टेंस में नहीं आई, उससे पहले वो कोई काम नहीं कर सकते. राइट? उत्कर्ष बंसल.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. कुंज सोनी,
Yes, ma'am.
ध्यान से सुनना. एवरीवन पे अटेंशन टू दिस. कनिका इज अ शेयर होल्डर इन अ कंपनी होल्डिंग 6000 शेयर्स. कितने शेयर्स हैं? 6000 शेयर्स. And each share is of 10 rupees each, on which she has already paid 8 rupees per share. What will be her liability in the event of losses or company's failure to pay debts? 6000 के शेयर है, 10 रुपए का एवरी शेयर है, जिसके हर शेयर पे वो 8-8 रुपए दे चुके, 2-2 रुपए हर शेयर पे बाकी. अगर कंपनी के डेट्स अराइज होते हैं, इज कनिका लायबल टू पे? इफ यस, देन हाउ मच? इफ नो, देन व्हाई?
मतलब मैम 10 रुपए के शेयर में 8 रुपए में खरीदे हैं ना.
हाँ जी. यस नैतिक.
Ma'am, 12,000.
आंसर इज 12,000.
हाँ मैम.
क्योंकि 2-2 रुपए उसके हर शेयर पे बाकी हैं, so 2 rupees per share is left. 6,000 into 2, it becomes 12. Kanika's liability, I repeat, everyone pay attention to this. Kanika's liability is only to the unpaid amount of the share. शेयर पे जितना पैसा उसने नहीं दिया उतनी ही उसकी liability. अगर उसने मान लो 10 रुपए का शेयर था, मगर उसने हर एक पे 5-5 रुपए दिए हुए हैं, 5-5 बाकी, तो it would have been 6 5 हाँ 30,000. So you should know how to calculate this. Kunsoni, will you answer it?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to say true or false. A minor cannot become a member of a Hindu undivided family business. A minor can become a member. Can a minor become a Hindu undivided family का member बन सकता है? कुंज. Yes, खुश. Yes, Nikit. Nikit. Nikita, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. He can become.
बेटा स्टेटमेंट बतानी है ट्रू है या फॉल्स है.
True.
Okay. Yes, Devansh Garg.
Yes,
My
ma'am.
regular student Devansh Garg. Devansh Garg, Mohit, Yashika, Utkarsh ने नमन कांकरिया, मुस्कान पहले बहुत रेगुलर था. Devansh has never missed his classes, girl. Okay, Devansh, your question is, can a minor become a partner?
Yes, ma'am.
Devansh, no, he cannot. He can be only admitted to the benefits in a partnership firm. A minor cannot become a partner. What are the minimum members required in a cooperative society? How many minimum members required in a cooperative society?
100.
Minimum 100?
10.
10. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pavan, 10. Okay. Yes, Samrit. Minimum members in a public and a private limited company? Samrit. Next is Tisha and Khushi. कहीं फंस भी जाते हैं, ऐसा नहीं सब आते ही. Khushi, can you answer this? Minimum members required in a public limited company?
Ma'am, 7.
7. Okay, private? Private, beta?
Ma'am, can I say
Yes, Naitik?
2?
Naitik?
Ma'am, 2.
Okay, 2. Meet a partner whose association with the firm is unknown to the general public. General public को ये पता ही नहीं है कि इस partnership firm में ये partner है. Secret partner, you're right. Let me ask Kavach. The head of a Hindu joint family is called?
Karta.
आप कवच हो? If the Karta dies, then?
His son. His eldest. His brother.
ये आंसर नहीं है.
Eldest person.
Yes, this is the answer, Devanshkar. The eldest male member of the family becomes the Karta. नहीं. If Karta dies, then?
Family becomes the Karta and Karaka.
Okay. The application for the name approval of the company is to be made to the Kavach के लिए Registrar of Companies. Okay. ये Kavach के लिए nobody answers this. A prospectus is issued by public company, a private company, or a public company seeking investment from public. ये अभी ऑप्शन ही तो बोल रही थी. A prospectus is issued by public company, private company, or a public company seeking investment from public. एक आधा लगा दो थोड़ा सा छोटा सा. Just hit him once. He's going to get one from me now.
थप्पड़ मारे थप्पड़.
हाँ ये सब बोला मैंने. Kavach very bad. It's a public company seeking investment from the public. Answer में ही बोल रही हूँ मैं तो. You don't even listen to the options nicely. Kavach, you need to really work hard. Okay. Who is going to answer? Meet will answer. Okay, Sutej answers that. The capital of the company is divided into number of parts. Each small part is called. The capital of the company is divided into small parts, and each small part is called. I'll take it from Varun if you don't answer. Huh? Meet. Wait. अभी answer नहीं करना. Meet. Kavach. You pay attention in the class. I will not. नहीं आता. You know it. एक तो ऐसे बैठा है अब हर्षद मेहता की तरह. Now repeat the question. I asked, the capital of the company is divided into number of shares. The smallest unit is called. Each unit is called. Okay, online. You know it, the girls. Yes, the answer is share. You knew it?
Ma'am, I told him. Ma'am, I told him, and then he told him.
Okay. Devansh Bansal.
Yes, ma'am.
Capital raised by a company with the help of shares is called the capital. Raised by the company with the help of shares is called.
Ma'am,
किस तरह की
एक
capital कहते हैं? The capital raised through shares is called.
Ma'am.
उसको कौन सा कैपिटल बोलते हैं?
Share capital.
मैम
कहते हैं।
शेयर कैपिटल होगा ना बोल दिया मैंने भाई शेयर कैपिटल बोल दिया
तुम सबकी सिचुएशन जरा बुरी लग रही है।
मैम बोल तो दिया था मैम 2 मिनट याद कर रहा था
हाँ, I heard it. Devansh, you were right. यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे लोग बैठे हैं जिनको आता कुछ नहीं। There are in a line there are 4 students sitting who don't know their names. Kavach, Meet, Sutej and Varun.
मैम आप नहीं बोलते तो उससे पहले मैं बता देता हूँ उनके नाम
Thank you, Devansh. I said अभी तो समरीत से पूछा था। Okay, Nandana.
अगर अभी इनमें से किसी को आंसर नहीं आया तो फिर आप उनका भी नाम बोलोगे।
हाँ, मैं बताऊंगी। Okay, Nandana, your question is, what type you have to decide upon. Now, a lady wants to sell her old laptop online. इसको एक तरीका है उसमें आंसर करने का। C2C, C2B, B2C, D2B.
C2C ये बता देते हैं मैम ये अच्छा है ना तो
अभी तो मैंने गर्ल्स वर्सेस बॉयज नहीं किया है। अभी तो मैंने आप बाहर हो, रिदम बाहर है। वैसे तो आपका भी नाम होना चाहिए था। रिदम नोज इट।
C2C ये सब दोनों आ है। Now the question goes to Rhythm.
Yes, ma'am.
Rhythm versus girls.
Okay, Rhythm. The board of directors of a joint stock company is directed by. The board of directors of a joint stock company is elected by general public, government bodies, employees या shareholders. Shareholders.
वो बता रहे हैं
In a cooperative society, what is the principle followed? One share, one vote, one man, one vote, multiple votes या no vote? Okay, Yashika, for you.
Yes. You are always wrong.
Yashika, this principle aims to put the insured in the event of loss in the same position that he occupied immediately before the happening of the event. Okay. सही. Okay, that is hey, indemnity.
मैम वही कह रहा था मैम.
Insurable interest is when you take no, when you can take the policy in which you are interested. This principle aims to put the insured in the event of loss in the same position which he occupied immediately before the loss. Indemnity. कि आपको वो फायदा नहीं करके देगा, सिर्फ उसी कंडीशन में लाकर खड़ा कर देगा जहां पे आप पहले थे. ओके, नमन काम करिए आप. Naman. Okay, open question to the class. Let me see who raises hand first online. This principle ensures equitable distribution of losses between insurers. Yes, Naman. No, it's wrong. Sharing of losses between insurers.
Contribution.
Yes, Devansh.
Ma'am, contribution.
Yes, it is contribution. Contribute कर रहे हैं इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. जितना आपका लॉस हुआ तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज कंट्रीब्यूट करके आपका नुकसान दे. Okay. Can I have it from Pawan now? Pawan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay, listen to the question now. Couple took a marine policy worth 2 lakhs to... This is for everyone now. Kavach? आता कुछ नहीं है. एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा. अब आप आंसर दे दो. Couple took a marine policy worth rupees 2 lakh to protect the goods from the perils of sea. On the way, the goods were spoiled by rats. He suffered a loss of 1,25,000. He filed a claim for the loss against the insurance company. Now, first question is Kavach. Can he recover 1,25,000 from the insurance company?
No, ma'am.
No.
उसने कौन सा इंश्योरेंस करवाया था? मरीन इंश्योरेंस.
Marine insurance.
मैम ये कौन?
Why?
Ma'am, because ma'am, marine insurance, ma'am, the loss is by water, and then only we will be able to get the insurance.
Okay. Chalo फिर. Which principle of insurance is highlighted in the following case? Which principle is
Causa
highlighted?
proxima.
Principle of
Proxima. ऐसा वो बोल रही है. उसका क्या नाम है?
So it is the causa proxima or the proximate cause.
Then you will be able to think.
वैसे भी Tisha, can you answer please? Khushi, can you answer?
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
बेटा क्वेश्चन तो मैंने बोला ही नहीं था अभी. I just asked you, will you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the percentage of shares kept by the government in government companies? कितने परसेंट शेयर्स गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज में गवर्नमेंट के पास होते हैं?
51.
51%.
51%.
ये नहीं बता.
Okay. Who has the control over the multinational companies?
D.
The branches, the subsidiaries, the parliament, or the headquarters?
Headquarters.
USA. He just said branch there.
Okay, just say your attendance first, then I'll take up now. Bhavya Patel.
He is there. Last.
Ma'am, I am also present.
Devansh Garg, Devansh Bansal, Kailash.
Yes, ma'am, present, present.
Yes, ma'am.
Kailash is absent.
Kavya.
कैलाश प्रेजेंट है भाई.
Kailash कहाँ है?
लास्ट में आया था भाई, लास्ट में निकल गया.
Devansh Bansal, you are very dear friend of Kailash Rabari. आया था. वो था हो गया ना, it's a past tense now. Okay, Mohit Chaudhary, Mustan. Mustan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Disha.
Yes, ma'am.
Two minutes break. I need it.
मैम आज 2 क्लास है क्या एक साथ?
What happened?
मैम अब तो हो गया ना, छुट्टी हो गई ना.
Is it 1:15? No, it's not 1:15.
10 minutes.
Okay, tomorrow again a quiz. Come prepared with your first 2 chapters. You can leave then, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Leave. Let's go.